Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaibhav Hodathe and today we are going to talk about diaspora and Indian diaspora. We are doing a 5 episode series where we are going to talk about diaspora and his different aspects. In today's episode, we are going to talk about challenges of Indian diaspora. We can divide those challenges into two parts. First, we will talk about challenges outside of India to Indian diaspora, and another one will be within India. So, now let's talk about outside India challenges. Rising incidents of hate and speech in crime. Against Indian diaspora, there are rise of crime by local due to racism, communism, by coming on nationalities and ultra-nationalist government to power in many countries. Second one will be increase in anti-globalization. Fear of losing job and education opportunities to outsider has resulted in stricter rules for visa in many countries like USA and Australia and etc. Crisis. Increasing terrorist activities and war in the Middle East and countries like Yemen, Oman, Libya, Syria, etc. leave our diaspora vulnerable to attack. The last one is adverse local laws. In many countries, there are local laws which tells to hire local people over migrants. Like example, the Tukat law of Saudi Africa, which tells to hire one local in compared to 10 migrants, has affect working class in Saudi Arabia. Let's talk about problems in India. Out-migration result in substantial drop in the supply of professionals for running institution and organization within India. Remittances are not always used for beneficial purposes. For insurance, India faced problems due to foreign funding or extremist movements like the Khalistan movement. The NRIs are not allowed to set up their farms directly in India, due to which India is not able to take the advantage of their entrepreneurial skill. E-migrant system are the minimum refuel wage. Policies has been determined to India as companies now find it easier to hire labor from countries like Bangladesh and Pakistan. Poor schemes coupled with problems are the main problems within India to Indian migration, which create problems for Indian diaspora. There are few ways to fight these problems or solve these challenges. For example, India can open a separate Ministry of State level department for NRI administration, similar the way USA done for their veterans. Social media tools have made it easy and inexpensive for Indian diaspora to stay in touch with their family and friends back home, and their link to India has never been stronger. It is time the Indian government enlarged a strong bond for the greater good of the nation. India should aggressively court NRIs to invest in India, especially for projects which focus on rural development by offering attractive interest rates on deposits. There are many ways that these Indian diaspora problems can be solved, or these challenges can be easily solved. That's all we're going to talk about Indian diaspora in this podcast. I hope you guys are enjoying this podcast. Thank you.